Tobias Family Lifestyle Vlog. Today I have something very exclusive to show you guys today. Tonight dish that we're trying to prepare, are we gonna prepare? It's some wild deer meat. I don't know as venom. They call it a different name in North America, but for us in Jamaica we call it wild deer. So I'm gonna show you guys. I already had it washed and cleaned up with some vinegar and lemon and all that stuff. I washed it off already and get it all cut up in pieces. And so what I'm gonna do with it tonight is basically we're gonna curry it just like how we would normally curry goat in Jamaica. So I'm gonna try it this way tonight and see how it turned out. As you can see here on the kitchen counter here, where I have all my seasoning that I'm gonna use and season it up, and some natural seasoning here, some potato, I have a piece of ginger and thyme, pepper and garlic, scallion and onion and bell pepper, and of course the Maggi all-purpose. And this is the magic, and also with the Better Pack curry. So these are what we're gonna be using tonight to create this dish. So I just want you guys to stick and stay and stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and get the wild deer marinated, and I will show you guys as we go how we preparing it. All right, so stick and stay, guys. All right, guys, check in back. So now we're gonna actually put the seasoning and the wild deer meat here. So I already go ahead and cut up the natural seasoning that I have here that we're gonna be putting on it. So for right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and start to put some of the dry rub season on it and let you guys see. I'm just gonna put a little bit. This one is almost finished, as well as use it all. Go ahead with that, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper. And by the way, this one here is the chicken season. I'm gonna use a little bit of that on it any which way, because a little bit of black pepper, not much. And then over here, I think we have the all-purpose seasoning. We're gonna put a pinch of this on it also. And then we have the Caribbean spice roasted garlic season here, and all these seasons they're from Cool Runnings, and I find that this is the best brand alongside the Maggi that I always use. And this one here is another all-purpose. I put a little bit of these already. That's in there. So now this is the magic right here. This is some Maggi on it. Then after this, then we're gonna put a little bit of the Better Pack curry, and just a spoon, because really and truly what we're gonna do when we get the pot and everything ready and the oil, we're gonna actually burn our curry afterwards. So we don't really want a whole bunch on the meat right now. Okay, so I'm gonna go in the oil to burn the curry after we start to prepare it. So you guys will see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go step by step with you guys with this one here, guys. Trust me, this one here it's a little bit different for me too. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the natural season on it, and I already washed my hand, but I'm gonna just go ahead and double wash it, show you guys. And I'm gonna dig in it and give it a stir. Here. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna go in there. And we just wanna mix it around. You want to come closer there and show them what it look like in the camera. So yeah, this is all wild deer meat. I'm gonna get in there and rub it in. All those spices and herbs blend in. I'm just gonna put a little bit more of the Maggi on it. That should be good enough now. Yeah, as I said from before, we doesn't want a whole bunch of curry on it right now. Then we put it in the pot, then we can put some in the oil and burn it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna let this sit for about an hour. Normally I would do this and let it sit overnight, but you know, for right now I'm just doing it and I'm gonna prepare it the same day. So you know, I'm just gonna give it about an hour or two. Let it kinda, I wouldn't say marinate, but germinate. You know, let the season soak inside of it and get that flavor when it's all done. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna leave this now for a little bit, cover it up, and basically put it back in the fridge and let it marinate for a little bit. And I tell you guys, if you can smell it, trust me, it's amazing. Alright, so stay tuned and stick and stay, and always remember to like up the video and tell a friend, and don't be afraid to comment on the video and tell us what you guys think of these videos that we're making, you know, and just give us that motivation and that drive to keep us going, you know. So I will see you guys in a little bit when we get the pot and the stove and start it to cook it up. Then I will show you guys. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, alright, check in back. So alright, I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do with the curry right now. We're gonna burn the curry in the oil, and this is like the traditional way back in Jamaica, because the always says you have to burn the curry because you don't want it to let you stay in the bathroom for a long time. So you burn the curry first before you do anything at all with it, because it's best digest better. So we're gonna burn the curry in the oil, right? I throw all of that in here, and then I'm gonna go ahead now. Let's give it a little stir. You wanna come closer and show them what it look like in here, what it look like. So yeah, so you wanna burn the oil, and if you guys burn the curry in the oil. If you guys want to realize it's a little bit much oil, but with deer meat there is no fat whatsoever on the deer meat. It's just bare lean, just lean and bone, no fat whatsoever. So we need a little bit of grease, you know, in the pot as we go along with it. So I'm gonna put a few pieces in there for now and show you guys kind of the process of what we do. Alright guys, so stick and stay, and I will show you guys when we're ready to check in back with you guys and show you guys. Alright guys, there you have it right there. Yep, I just put it in the pot right now. So what I'm actually gonna do, I'm gonna turn and put it into the pressure pot, because I don't know how tough it is, because as I said, it's a wild deer. right? So I got to pressure it a little bit to make the process speed up a little bit more. And so stay tuned. So when I ready to take it out and stuff like that, then I will show you guys the end result. Okay, thank you so much. All right. All right guys, check in back. So there you go. There is the wild deer meat there with some white rice. I'm gonna tell you, trust me, look good. Can't wait for digging at it right now and take a bite out of it. I mean, just trust me, I tell you, say it look good and it tastes good too. It tastes good. I was amazed, trying it this way. So yeah, I still have a whole pot of it up there on the stove, same way. I'm gonna just dish out a little plate to show you guys what the presentation look like. All right, so I will catch you in another one again. All right, take care.